But for me anyway, I don't want to be happen to Teacher May that she has a colon cancer. Stage 3 colon cancer, that's what's really happened to Uncle Eugene. So I realized what happened to Nanay Ningning's husband, Uncle Eugene, stage 3. Maybe I will tell that to my Malaysian friends and the Palestinian friends, one of my close friends in TikTok Live. I will tell them actually um I will tell them I will ask them that what happened to Teacher May, that she has colon cancer. At least they are Shia and Sunni Muslims, they can pray for her. I mean, I say I pray in Islam, I always pray for her. Oh, let's pray for her. For me, as Allah and Prophet Muhammad in Allah, in Quran and Shia Islam, I should not judge Teacher May because she is my former teacher, because she has colon cancer. And let's pray for her. That's what I said. For those people who have colon cancer, for me, I don't want to judge Devin Brew as well. He has diabetes. Devin has diabetes, stage 3. What really happened before before lockdown, before pandemic. Because I know before I talk with David Gill, I always talk with Devin Brew. Devin Brew says to me, he already forgiven, he already apologized. Before the incident, what happened to David Gill when he claims that who ruined the art of Cedric Mariano? Oh, and that's the really happened was. So for me, I don't want to judge. I don't want to judge Teacher May because she's my former teacher, and I apologize for that. I don't want to repeat apologize. It's already my parents already apologized, and I apologize too. But but Teacher May, I remember she has stage 3 colon cancer. I would tell you because you know what happened to Nanay Baby, what happened to Uncle Eugene, what happened to um um the mother of Devin Brew, what happened to former President Cory Aquino. Perhaps as we can realize that there was colon cancer. There was a time there is a colon cancer. But let's not judge um, um, Teacher May. Because, for me, I don't want to judge. I know, for me, I don't want to judge too. I don't want to criticize. As I was told by Christian Mingito, in Born Again Christian, I was told by Kawali Coronel, in Shia Islam, who is a founder of Kawal ng Inclusion, he told me, huwag nyo kasi husgahan, that's why, do not judge. And mostly, there are lots of cases about colon cancer. So let's pray for that. Let's pray for everyone. Let's say, the God always say, do not judge. And mostly, for me, if you remember that colon cancer, it's at stage 3. That is a illness what happened to Nanay Baby and Uncle Eugene. Do you remember Chadwick Boseman who died in colon cancer? Even former President Cory Aquino who died in colon cancer. So I do realize there was a time of colon cancer. let's pray for Teacher May anyway. If I talk to my Palestinian friends, even my Malaysian friends and Indonesian friends there, I will talk to them in TikTok live. I will say to them, let's pray for her. And Allah will pray for her. And I said it, let's pray for her. And then she will be fully recover. This is a very dangerous topic that about the colon cancer. Oh, I hope she will never get cancer too. You know those people, like kids, like I remember those colon cancer is very dangerous. I should not judge anybody. Oh, me, I pray for Devin bro that he was recover in diabetes. Oh, diabetes because Devin bro had ate lots of oil food in the US. He says about any kind of oil food that he ate it before, and then I said that there is lots of oil food. And now you see Devin Brew got in hospital. He has diabetes. Just like what happened to Teacher May, that she has a colon cancer, stage 3. My mom says to me, you know guys, I'm just saying, if you're watching this, Kathleen, may sakit po si Teacher May, tama ka. That's why you are right. I didn't realize, hindi ko na niniwala, may sakit pala. Oh. And I know, I didn't realize she got illness. Oh. But for me, I'm just gonna say to everyone, colon cancer is a very dangerous thing. I should not judge Teacher May. I should not judge Devin Brew. I should not judge them. They were in hospital. I say to them, let's pray for them. I don't want to bully them. I do remember my mom went to hospital. She has a thyroid. She just recovered and confined in hospital. Oh, I remember David Gill. He was in dengue in hospital. He is in hospital too because he has a dengue. Compared to Rafa Soko, he was in hospital in PCMC. He got a dengue. Because he has a dengue. When Teacher Marisa visited there, and then I said, Rafa has a dengue. Oh, fever dengue. Dengue is a cause of death. When you say there are lots of dengue mosquitoes bites and anywhere. But for me, I don't want to do that to Teacher May, that she has colon cancer. She was confined in St. Luke's, Quezon City, which is which was my birthplace. I was born there, Quezon City, St. Luke's. My friend Jardino has faced recovery in St. Luke's in Quezon City. He was there and he just got facial recovery. Let's pray for Teacher May. And let's pray for Devin Bro. I hope they will be recover. And let's pray for her. Because you know, for me, I always pray for Uncle Eugene when I was in Hong Kong. Nanay Ningning asked me, she calls me in Skype. Uncle Eugene died in stage 3, colon cancer. And what happened to Uncle Eugene? Nanay Ningning cried that she lost her husband. Because I remember Anya, who was in the US, she realized that her father died. And Nanay Ningning calls me on, what was it, Nanay Ningning? Oh, I said it, Uncle Eugene is dead. Oh, Tita Ning said, Uncle Eugene is dead. Now what really happened? He died. But for me, as I'm saying, let's not judge anybody. do not bash anybody. Like for example, I told to Cedric Mariano, my friend there. I told to Cedric, do not judge Rodelio, Kuya Rodelio, because his mother was in hospital. I think that Robin said to me, Robin Daguman, Kuya Robin na, Kuya Robin, I call him Kuya. And also Kuya Rodelio Daguman has showing a griefness when his mother died. His mother died because of pneumonia. Oh. As for me, I should not judge Kuya Rodelio Daguman. I always pray for his mother. Oh. For me, I always pray for Teacher May's health. I always pray for her. I say to everyone, to all of you, even Teacher Marisa, if you're watching this, pray for your friend. And even to Yvette, Ronald, Bill, who else? Sir Paulo Cuba, shout out. Oh, let's pray for Teacher May. And even to my friend Justin Reed and the members of the Fox Kids Unite in the Friends of BM Marcelo or Friends of John Timothy Trubino, let's pray for Devin Brew. But I hope they will be recover from their health.